Well, brought the DC-25 in, and still the handle won't pull up. Oop, there it goes up there. But now, when the handle is extended, this is supposed to release right here. Oh, there, it came off. Just by forcing it a bit. As I'm going to spray it right in there where the little spring catches. Again, see it sits in there, right? And you pull this handle up, and this should release real easy now. See how easy it releases? But your handle has to be all the way up to do that. So I'm going to spray this little piece. In here. Since we sprayed WD-40 down in this switch, we're going to spray WD-40 in the switch that's right there. Okay, I got the red handle. You see how this is scored a little bit here? If you got some sandpaper, just try to make this smooth again here. You push the handle and this mechanism moves. And that moves this piece here, whether you get suction from the bar or from the hose. And this isn't running smoothly, so I'm gonna have to. And this is very prone to dust, so it has to be running smoothly. Could use a good cleaning in the sink. And I'm going to take the screws out. Here. Yeah, I have the 5 screws out. And part of the release. And this is just the gasket. That can go also in the sink, but make careful you don't tear it. Put it aside. That can go in the sink just the way it is. Now I'm going to take this apart. What you do is you take this and you just crack it in half. Now there's a rubber gasket here. You can take the rubber gasket off. I'm having a time trying to get this snapped off because the canister was wet. Okay, there. There's the part now. Yeah, that needs a good washing. That's the cyclones, so there'll be much more suction once those are cleaned. Brush roll, I'm going to insert it into the mechanism. Now here's the old end cap. You can see there's no lock screw. Also, by it shaking, look at how it busted the circle here where the bearing fits. So I went to an authorized Dyson dealer and I got myself a new end cap. There. Locked into position. Line up the mechanism here. There, it's into position. When I was at the Dyson dealer, I was inquiring on this pedal, the red pedal. They said it would take probably 2 weeks to get in. So I'm thinking that I'll epoxy it for now. The whole tube of epoxy. See, I filled in the squares around the crack. Some rice, I'm gonna put it on the floor. That should be enough. See if the handle works. Got some good suction now.